And for this wall to come and quash our dream and our successes like that, things that we have already put down for the future generations, because that's how we work as family. We don't work selfishly in the moment.
Zanelli, escucha, estamos en la lucha.
The root problem is the poverty in Mexico. A wall of $5 to $4 million a mile will only slow down an immigrant 3 to 4 minutes. You can build a wall to the sky, and someone that needs money will climb over it when they need a job. And we would do the same thing if we were in the position over here, poor, and it was rich over there. It will do great harm also to the frontera and the animals that depend on the water. It's the sole source of water for our cattle, for our cows, for our goats, for our sheep, and for ourselves. We have to get to our political representatives and hold them accountable. That goes for Silvestre Reyes, Ciro Rodriguez, todos.
Soy hija y sobrina vecina de un pueblo de exbraceros que vinieron a Estados Unidos a trabajar en el tiempo de la Segunda Guerra Mundial. Creemos y seguimos a Jesucristo. Tenemos sangre indígena. No tienen ambiciones materialistas. Ellos son más espirituales que materiales.
Those of you who are marching, those of you who are walking, those of you who are supporting the walkers in any way, understand better than those who are responsible for the laws of this land that it is important that the voice of the people, especially those most affected by laws and by policies of the government, be listened to. We know that we are supposed to be a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. And so I thank you for making it clear that we don't need a wall here. We don't want a wall here. We are opposed to a wall here. As followers of Jesus Christ, who crossed so many borders and broke down so many barriers in the world of his time, we can't allow more walls, more barriers, more obstacles to go up. We have to resist those and argue against them and make our voice heard.